Welcome back. Today we are going to, as the title says, continue the desk setup with the dual arm setup. So let's get to that. Today we're going to take this adapter for this HP monitor and put it on to the arm. So let's get into that. So we have the box, mysterious box with the VESA adapter for the HP 2311Xi. Well, let's get this open and then we'll get it attached to the monitor. And this is really the only company, I take that back. There are two companies that I found that made these adapters. This is the only one that had it in stock when I ordered it. And these guys are Gladiator Joe. And let's see, made by Super Dave and packaged by Jess. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. All right, so let's make this happen. We have also in the box here the screws. We love screwing, you know. And let's see here. The instructions, which are pretty damn straightforward. I would say I wouldn't really need these, or I don't need these. Let's see, do they have... Wow, okay. They only have the VESA screws? Yeah, that's it. You have to have, just so you know, you have to have the screws from the back of your monitor in order to do this. So do not lose those, Chris. Do not lose those. Okay, we'll just throw this over here. All right. What I'm going to try to do is not lose all this stuff. We'll just put that there with this. I really enjoy this room under here that I've gained since I moved the stand for the Pixio monitor. I've been able to put that up there, do paperwork. I also play flight simulators, able to just put the joystick as well as the throttle there and not have to use a different desk or anything. So that's been really, really nice. I am going to shut the computer off here. And then we are going to disconnect the monitor over here and put it together right here for you. Ah, okay. So, we learned something together here. In order to take this off right here, there's a button, release button, which I'm sure latches into there. When you press that down, it releases it, and then you can pull it out. So, that simple, actually, that simple. Let's see here. Now there are 3 screws that we are going to zoom in on here and give you a little better view, hopefully. Give me a minute to do that. One is there and one is there. So then, of course, you're going to find one over here. Let's unscrew those. Go. That fits in. I do have to give these people major kudos because this fits in really snug. Not to the point where it's going to hold it in there. Nothing really is going to do that. But I mean, the tolerance, top to bottom, is absolutely spot on. So that is really cool. Fantastic. Now we have this screwed on. Looks really, really rigid. Not too floppy. The material, what actually is bending here when you see this moving is actually the plastic on here. This is not bending at all. This is very nice, thick, sturdy metal that Gladiator uses. All right, we should be good with that. Put it right up on here. Just like that. I couldn't have planned that any better. Tighten that up just a little bit. I don't want it falling off when I'm putting the other screws on. Okay. So let's see if this is gonna work. You know what? I should have tried before putting all this together, seeing if I was gonna have to move the arm or not. And that's one of the things that I am a little leery about. I'm hoping I don't have to move this arm because that means a lot of cable management underneath is gonna have to be redone. And I'd rather not. Oh, you know what? Let's put this up like this, turn this way, and see how this actually works out. There you go. Here's the setup. It's all tightened down. Took the Allen wrenches, put the screw on it a little bit, get it a little tighter. So this is the way it's going to stay set up. I did not move, or at least right now I'm not planning on moving the Mini ITX build I have to underneath there. Like I was saying in the last video, I kind of like where it is right now. I believe if I put it over into this corner, the airflow and stuff is not going to be optimal. So with that being next to the window, it's going to keep it cooler than if it's off in a corner here and creating its little heated bubble. So that's staying there. Put your comments down below, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, as well as the notification bell. And this is Chris saying out.